In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email via Mautic. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a one-off email to a contact using the built-in composer, either by writing your own HTML or by selecting a saved template. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Mautic login page. On the sign-in screen, enter your login credentials and click Login. Keep your credentials secure and make sure you have the right permissions to send emails from your account. Once you're in the dashboard, go to Contacts. This is where all your leads and customers live. Find the person you want to email. You can scroll through the list or use search and filters to narrow it down. Before proceeding, it's a good habit to quickly confirm the contact's details and that they're eligible to receive emails according to your policies. Open the contact's profile, then click Send Email. This brings up Mautic's Email Composer, where you'll set the subject and write or load your content. Type your subject first. Keep it concise, descriptive, and aligned with the purpose of your message. Clear subjects improve deliverability and help your contact understand why they're receiving the email. For the body, you have two options. If you're comfortable with code, paste or type the HTML of your email directly into the editor. Make sure your HTML is clean, mobile-friendly, and includes the essentials like a recognizable sender, clear messaging, and accessible links. If your brand uses styles or images, use absolute URLs so everything renders correctly for the recipient. If you've already built a design in Mautic, use a saved template instead. Click the template dropdown to view your available options, then select the template you want. This will load the full layout and content structure instantly, which is helpful for consistent branding and faster turnaround. You can still adjust text or links if needed, but avoid making major layout changes that could break responsiveness. Look over your subject and content one more time. Check for typos, broken links, or placeholders, and make sure the message reads naturally. When everything looks right, click Send. Mautic will deliver the email to that specific contact using your configured email provider. Depending on your setup, delivery may be immediate or processed through your background jobs. That's it. You logged in, opened contacts, chose a contact, started a new email, added a subject, provided content with either HTML or a saved template, and sent it. Follow this same approach anytime you need to send a targeted, one-off message directly from a contact's profile in Mautic.